Reboot, refresh, renew. Wellness is an active process of making choices towards a healthy and fulfilling life. It's more than just being free from illness. It's a dynamic process of change and growth. Regular physical movements such as walking, stretching, or even working in the garden helps to release or ease muscle strain, relieve mental tension, and improve blood circulation. We could indulge now or pay the price later, or self-control that will allow us to commit to a self-improvement plan and believe in the self that this plan will succeed. In this video, there will be some simple dynamic tactics to help motivate you to work out, bring about subtle changes, and improve your overall growth. I call it the Self-Control Toolkit. 1. Change your perspective. Shift your thinking from couch potato mentality to thinking like an athlete. Put your workout clothes on. Don't think about it, just get dressed. It's the best way to get motivated to work out. 2. Set a goal. Whatever it is, define it, write it down, and revisit it daily. Make sure it's realistic goals with clear milestones. As you progress towards your goals, you'll find a rippling effect occurring and things fall into place in your work, home life, and health. 3. Schedule a regular workout time. Be committed and write your workout schedule on your calendar. If you convince yourself you'll fit a workout sometime during the day, failure is certain. 4. Think fun and variety. Workout variety challenges your body in unique ways and can even make you forget that you're working out. Make sure you include activities you truly enjoy and look forward to doing it. Activities like yoga, meditation, and Tai Chi are the best ways to learn self-control as they teach you patience and tenacity. 5. Surround yourself with motivation. Exercising with a friend or loved one can make it more fun and increase your chances of sticking to your exercise plan. You can also consider joining a social networking site or online community with fitness trainers and nutrition experts that could support you to maintain your exercise plan. Self-control is required in various spheres of life, and it can be achieved through various techniques, following different disciplines and ways of life. So start thinking of yourself as an athlete and not a spectator. You'll be setting up yourself for a lifetime of better health, more happiness, and more energy for everything else in your life.